Hello, in front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, tap on the display option, and here select the option called screen on time. And here we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds and 15 seconds. Select the one you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm. I'm gonna set it to 10 seconds. And now the screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So should be soon. Like this. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.